Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare Cursor with Google AI Studio, and I'm going to share with you important things that you need to know. So Google AI Studio is launched by Google for prototyping and experimenting with generative AI models, designed as accessible sandbox for AI experimentation. And now the Cursor is desktop first AI enhanced fork of Visual Studio Code. It embeds deep AI features like you can have smart auto completion, multiple line rewrites, natural language prompts, and you can have also context-aware code suggestions. And it's grown rapidly, but also the pricing has increased rapidly too for Cursor. And that's like very important thing that right now is happening. Now, the Google AI Studio, if you want lightweight, browse-based environment for trying on prompt workflows, generating code snippets, exploring Gemini, or rapidly prototyping ideas. And you can choose Cursor if you need deeply integrated AI native coding experience within your existing development setup, benefiting from real-time smart suggestions, natural language code editing, privacy controls, and full-fledged IDE capabilities. So that's the difference between these two and what you can actually expect. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.